Hi. I like to get out here before it gets too crowded and get my licks in. But as you can tell from our parking area, I'm not the only one. It's full of new Cadillacs, isn't it? You can almost call them, and the owners they represent, the Cadillac generation. That runner, that young man's a Cadillac owner. This fellow is a sales executive. He's on the road a lot. He's a Cadillac owner, too. Marianne and Jim over there, Cadillac owners, they run that successful restaurant off the turnpike. That's Gretchen. She drives a Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Loves every minute of it. Nice lady. She sold me my home, too. The point I'm trying to make is that, sure, there are a lot of successful executives, financiers, captains of industry driving Cadillacs. After all, it's a mark of success. But there's a lot of other people, too. Young people, professional people, middle-aged, not so middle-aged. Tremendous variety. I'm not a salesman, but it's not hard to figure that these people are looking for quality, fine styling, proven reliability, innovative engineering, and outstanding tradition. As you can see, in 1984, Cadillac boasts the greatest variety of luxury models in the industry. 18 different models in all. So there's a tremendous flexibility and selection to offer interested Cadillac buyers, like our runner, Jim and Marianne, with thousands of others. Cimarron, DeVille, Fleetwood, Eldorado, and Seville are great names, but each and every one offering the benefits and pride of Cadillac ownership. They represent the ultimate in fine styling, lasting finish, beauty, comfort, and luxury. And each offers mute testimony to the Cadillac generation. Of course, best of all, they're Cadillacs. You're about to review important 1984 Cadillac product information. After this review, test your product knowledge by playing the Cadillac Championship Golf Challenge. Right on schedule. The new 1984 Seville, the ultimate Cadillac, the best-selling international luxury car built in America. This is Cadillac's personification of success. First class, Seville, a fashion trendsetter. The sweeping formal style is complemented by a new taillight treatment that features a floating bright winged crest. Notice the more formal appearance with the body side molding accents in the same color as the car. Look at the richness of the new tufted multi-button seat trim design, the heather knit cloth, and the modified door design with the embroidered Seville script. This Cadillac deserves to be called our ultimate. Of course, the new Sevilles share a number of product improvements with the Eldorado, like an improved theft deterrent system with new driver's seat sensor, 6-way power seat adjuster, and a new look to the instrument panel with low-gloss black and simulated teak wood grain embellishments. There's a new 2000 radio series and standard extended range rear speakers. You couldn't ask for more luxury in a Seville or any other luxury car. Or maybe you could. Let me tell you about my experience in a new Seville Elegante a few nights ago. My wife and I joined some friends for dinner downtown and then the theater. They'd just picked up their new Seville Elegante. You should have seen their faces. The total luxury. Barb couldn't stop using the passenger's recliner. And Cal had some symphony music on the standard new 2000 series AM/FM radio. They maintained the air and temperature comfort level with a light touch on Seville's electronic climate controls. When we arrived at the restaurant where we planned to eat, the deference from the parking valet made us feel like royalty. The luxury of that Seville Elegante simply underscored the evening. After dinner, we moved on to the theater. The ride from the four-wheel independent suspension and smooth stops from the four-wheel disc brakes made you feel easy and relaxed. You could tell that Cal felt in full command with a responsive HT 4100 DFI power system and easy-handling front-wheel drive. You couldn't help but think that Seville Elegante was designed for that night, that lifestyle. Every time I think about Cadillac, it brings me back to that evening of good friends and good feelings, a rightness about it all. It sounds like a storybook, but it was very real. Just as this 1984 Seville is real, and just as solid as Seville's appeal for 1984. It truly is first class. And best of all, it's a Cadillac, through and through.